Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to transform these little birdhouses. And I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful beaded garland that I already made a video of. And look at how gorgeous that just makes it look. This is perfect now for the summer. Go ahead and display it wherever you want. Look how simple that was. Isn't that really simple just to transform it? I'm going to also add one to this house that says blessed. So the first one says home, and I'm going to add the same little mini garland, and that's it. That's how pretty it is to change it for the summer. That's how fast it is. And these houses are so gorgeous. They're one of my favorite pieces from Dunn from now on. I love them. So one of them says home and the other one says blessed. Now this little birdhouse, I'm going to go ahead and add some ribbon. I'm going to add a bow actually. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a bow. It's very simple. There's really nothing to it. So I'm just going to show you how fast and simple it is. Go ahead and grab some scissors. Grab your favorite ribbon. You can use whatever ribbon you want. It's optional. But I think with these little homes, you should have a thicker ribbon. So don't do the skinny, small, thin ribbon. It won't look nice. Go ahead and grab the thickest ribbon you have. That's exactly what's going to make it look nice. It's going to make it stand out, and it's going to give it that little extra touch. So when you're ready to put it up in your house, trust me, it's going to look gorgeous. I just had to share this little tip with you in decorating, and that's why I made this little video. So you're going to go ahead and make a bow on there, but you're going to make it on top of the birdhouse. So we're not going to pre-make it. We're going to make it as we go along. And it's that simple. You're going to bring it inside and out, and you're going to tie a bow. And look at how gorgeous it's going to look. Now, with the ribbon, you kind of want the ribbon to come a little longer to the side of the house. You don't want it too short, because if it's too short, it's not going to show well. You see right there how it's too short on one side? And I did not like that. I want the ribbon to be nice and long, and I want it to show all over the birdhouse, because I think the ribbon is very pretty. And make sure you grab enough so where it hangs before you make the bow. And look at how easy that is. Did you see how I made the bow? Super easy. Tie it as tight as you can, and then once you have your bow, just play with it. You want to make sure you're able to move it around. You want to make sure you're able to adjust it. So grab your pair of scissors, and we're just going to cut the bottom of it. Look at how cute that is. It just changes the whole theme. And all you have to do is adjust the bow, grab it from the top, tie it again as tight as you can, and you're ready. You have a nice bow to match your little birdhouse. It's adorable, and it's going to change the whole look and theme of the birdhouse. You can add a blue bow. I'm adding this color because I really want it for the summer. I thought it would be perfect color for the summer. You can add a yellow bow. You can add whatever color you're using for your theme of your decoration for your house. Go ahead and make that color the same bow, because it's going to tie in nicely into your decorations. It's going to look very pretty once you put it up, and it's going to match everything. So go ahead and do that. If you're going to do yellow, match it yellow. If you're going to do blue, match it blue. And it's going to tie in nicely. So all I'm doing is redoing my bow over and over again until I have it exactly how I like it. This is exactly how I get things done. I do it. If I don't like it, I change it around. I make it again. I adjust it. I do a lot of things. And I'm just showing you the whole thing. I didn't want to edit nothing out and just make it seem like I made a perfect bow the first time. No, this takes practice. You can cut things around. You can move it. Once you have it how you want it, just cut the bottom off, and look at how simple that was. And there you go. You have your beautiful Dunn birdhouse with a beautiful bow to match. So this is how simple. You bring the bow to the front. You see how I flip the bow to the front, and you are ready to place it wherever you want and put it wherever you want. It's ready. It's beautiful. And it was that simple. So I just had to show you what I did, just so you could go ahead and decorate your little birdhouses for the summer. And this is my theme. So as you can see, the tassel matches the bow. And until next time, bye you guys.